JavaScript wouldn't be the powerful language that it is without the ability to listen to events from all kinds of user input. Vue certainly is no different. It harnesses the power of JavaScript events in a short, declarative syntax that makes it easy to react to clicks, scrolling, mouse movement, and more. Let me show you how simple events are in Vue with the vOn directive. Take this shopping list app for example. Currently, we can type in an item to add to the list. But we need some kind of UI, a button, for instance, for the user to interact with, and then we need to be able to listen for the click event of that button to actually add the item to the list below. In the code, we'll add a button with its class set to .btn, .btn primary. We'll give it the label of Save Item. We can also wrap our inputs and our button inside of a div with the class of Add Item Form. And let's actually move our button below our high priority checkbox. Now that we have our button in place, we can take advantage of the vOn directive. On our button, we'll want to listen for the click event that gets triggered when a user presses the button. To do that, we can add vOnClick to our button, and then set it equal to items.push, and then push it in item with the label specified in the new item data property. In order to generate a new ID for the item, I'll use the item's length plus 1. And I'll clean up the template just a little bit. If we head over to our browser, we can see that when we fill out our input and click our button, that our new item gets added right to the end of our list. While responding to the click event is great, vOn lets us listen for other events as well. When we're adding lots of new items to our list, it would be nice if we could just hit enter to save an item instead of clicking on our button. So, let's add another vOn directive to our input. Here, we'll need to listen to the key up event. But how will we know that we're clicking enter and not any other key? We can use one of Vue's key modifiers to explicitly target the enter key. A key modifier is an event modifier that applies to keyboard-based events. Event modifiers allow us to alter the behavior of events using a declarative syntax. On our input field, we'll add the vOn key up, and then we'll add .enter to listen for the enter key. Then we'll duplicate our code from earlier. Give things a quick cleanup. Now we can press enter to save our newest item without writing any additional boilerplate code. Besides enter and click, Vue lets us respond to every event that JavaScript can. So, we could respond to tab, escape, delete keys, or write in command clicks, focus, and mouse over, and more. At this point, our template is starting to look a little verbose. Fortunately, vOn has a shorthand syntax that we can use. That is, the @ symbol. In our template, we can replace our two v-ons with the @ symbol to decrease the length of our event listeners. Using the v-on shorthand makes our templates look a little nicer, it's a little easier to type, and is honestly the only way I ever write it. This is great progress, but we still have some long, duplicated JavaScript in our v-ons. In the next lesson, we'll see how to extract that code to a method.